welcome back to Ace of Vegas, guys. So we are going to go ahead and crack straight into another game here. We left off with Mirage Wildlife. That didn't go so well for us, so we're stuck on a Konami game. Alright guys, we're officially loading into Dragon's Law now. Let's just go ahead and see how well that goes. And it looks like we've got the usual nonsense here. Man, this is a really high bet line. I'm not sure if we can maintain this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and put those 100 spins on the clock, betting 337,500 chips every single time. That should put us at 33,750,000 that we're going to put through the machine. So, on your mark, get set, ready, go. Alright, and this is another My Konami game. I don't know, the only Dragon's Law that I follow is the Dragon Ball Z Law. I don't know why that was a funny joke. We have a new Dragon Ball Z movie coming out pretty soon. I'm actually kind of excited about that. Alright, so this is going to be a My Konami game, and immediately this is going to be a faster game. I already know this is a chip eater, though. So that's why I'm not very excited to play this one, I'm afraid. Usually the only sort of free play and bonuses you get are these little... I know there's a dragon that shows up in this one. Like, there's supposed to be a dragon that just kind of flies out, and then it gives you wilds, and then you also just get free spins. But that's really all there is to the game, I'm afraid. Alright, that was a good one. 7.5 milli. I feel like that's going to be our only big win, though, guys. I'm sorry to say. And I think if we get 3 of those yin-yang symbols there, then we get free spins, too. Never really understood the design of all these games here, all the My Konami games. They're very generic. I wonder if they're supposed to represent the games that they have actually in the casino, because Konami does have real casino games too. Oh, here's our dragon. Dragon, rock the dragon. Oh, we got a 5 of a kind bonus. Alright, that was a good 8 million. I think it's going to be all of our bonuses that we get, though, guys. All the bonuses in the first 20 spins, I'm afraid. If I was smart, I'd totally just go ahead and bail out on this and play on a different game, like Señor de los Cielos, or Bridesmaid, or Monsters, or something like that, something else promotional where they really want you to win. But because we have an experiment, we're going to keep going. Oh, and I seem to have completed some sort of task here. Oh, the Lucky May puzzle. I forgot this was going on. And that's a big one because we had no chips invested in it. I never really get these collectibles. They're just things that pop up. They're kind of like in the Facebook game, how they have the little random collectibles that just kind of crop up there. So, I don't know. Yeah. Nothing too terribly exciting about this game. I am really excited about the new Dragon Ball Z movie, the Dragon Ball Super. I think it's a Broly movie, which is weird because Broly is hands down my least favorite character, right next to, I think, Super Buu in all of Dragon Ball media. Yes, that includes Super Android 17. That includes the lousy General Blue arc. That includes the worst of the worst of the worst of the Dragon Ball arcs. Why? Because Broly is dumb. Broly is the absolute worst, man. I don't know. I can't stand Broly. I don't think Broly is that great. But it's supposed to be rewriting his story and making him a little more interesting, making him a little more reasonable as a character. So giving him a little bit of a motivation other than Goku cried, which was a thing in the old movies. So this is like the 4th Broly movie too, and it's basically just like a reboot of his whole story there. Oh, we got some free spins. Alright, boys and girls, we got the free spins with the Dragon's Law feature. Meaning that the dragon is going to pop in and just grant some wishes for us. I don't know how many we win with this. I think it's a good million. Okay. Alright. And now we get the bumping music here. And the dragon's supposed to fly in and kick us a couple extra wilds here and there. Alright, there's the Eternal Dragon. Go Shenron. Okay, that's not bad. We got 5 of a kind off that one. Oh, that's still going. I have no idea how many lines it paid off. I think it was like 6 lines it paid off. Wow, this has been going on for a while. Alright, 6.5 million. I guess it keeps going after that. In our last spin. Hopefully we get a dragon. Oh, yeah, we do get a dragon for the last spin. Oh, man. Now we're going to actually match some stuff up front. Alright, that's better than I anticipated. It's probably only going to be about a $500,000. Alright, $1.5 million. That's not bad. That was our free spins. Alright, good deal. And we're about halfway through the rounds here. So if we even break even, this is actually probably one of the better My Konami games on MyVegas slots. I'd be astonished if we even broke even. If we even broke even. That English. Alright, so while we're still on the subject of dragons, so I guess I don't know. I'm thinking about getting tickets to the new Broly movie to go ahead and go watch that just to go see. Also, they finally decided to introduce Gogeta into that one, which is great because they don't show off Gogeta nearly as much. And I really feel like he's a lot more fun and a lot more interesting than Vegito is. I know they're functionally the same guy, but you know, Vegito's just like a lot of arrogance, not a lot of fun. Gogeta in the series was always a lot more fun and just like a lot harder hitting and a lot more interesting to me. So that's why I'm really excited to see Gogeta in the new movie. And I wasn't going to go see it until I saw him show up, because otherwise I figured it's just going to be Broly bodying Vegeta, bodying Goku, bodying Gohan, bodying Frieza, and that'd just be the whole movie. I wonder if they're also going to fix that glaring plot hole of a living Frieza too, so that'll be interesting to see. Alright, cool. And we got some more wilds on this one. This is going surprisingly well. So if we literally don't hit anything else, we may actually have the whole thing paid for here. Oh, and we got another puzzle piece. I think this might be a good game to play if you're not in the middle of collecting like a puzzle. Like if you just wanted to go ahead and run the game through without any interaction whatsoever, this might not be a bad game to play. I don't think it's going to be a good game to play, but I don't think it'll be a bad game to play. It'll just kind of be there. Just with the dragon feature. That's a lot luckier than Grand Dragon ever was. Which I think was the big gold one. Alright, that wasn't bad. A little more than the initial bet. We got some wilds in there too, a couple Dragon Balls. This just keeps reminding me of Dragon Ball Z. Anytime I look at it, because they got the little orbs with stars in it, and the dragon shows up with them. How is this not a Dragon Ball Z game? This is literally just Dragon Ball Z without the lasers. Alright, cool. We're making some progress here. Not a lot of positive progress, but it's progress. And 3 more of those little sacks or whatever. Even the sacks kind of look like the sack of sensu beans that they have. That's their little healing thing, just in case they get hurt really bad in battle and need to beat the bad guy. Then they eat one of those, and it's round 2. Good deal. Let's see here how we holding up at this last half of the game here. All right, we got another wild Dragon Ball, 1 star in the middle, and that picked up another 750,000. And we're 80% through the spins for today. I hope we do get one more bonus here. I really do like to show off the bonuses. So if we do get another bonus, I think we'll be in a pretty good spot. So I don't know why that's a big win, because we just won exactly how much we put out there. I think because it's in the 6 digits. And we're on our last few spins. And it keeps threatening us with a good time, and then not doing it. It keeps threatening us with free spins, and then doesn't give us free spins. And that's that. Alright, coming up on that, yeah, I think we only got 10 spins left, which is fine. I feel like we're actually going to make the, yeah, we just got another puzzle piece here. Which is another 190,000 chips. Thank you, Lucky May. And we're going to keep going. We may have actually made a small profit on this game. I'm surprised. Because I never make profits on Konami games, honestly. You guys have seen, you guys saw Lotus Land. That didn't go great. And then it's going to threaten us with another good time here in a minute, I'm sure. See, that should have been a really good win, but we're not going to get that. Yeah, we actually made a small profit. We started at 315,451,322 chips, and seem to be making our way through. And I think this will be our last spin here. Yep, that is it. Okay, guys. So yeah, we did 100 spins here, and we ended at 318,226,322. So let me go ahead and do some maths real quick. We're gonna take a quick break, and I'll count up the booty. All right, guys, we actually did make a profit on this one. So it looks like we made 2,775,000 chips here, meaning we have a payback percentage of 108.22%. So we made all of our money back and then took some more out of the casino slot machine. So Dragon's Law gets to be one of the rare Ace of Vegas favorite games here. Actually, I want to look at the favorites just a little bit to see which ones we've won on. So it looks like, oh, the Lucky May puzzle here. So it looks like we've won on Electro Link, Bridesmaids, El Señor de los Cielos, Thunder Cash, Betrock, Shack 9, MGM Grand, Luxor, Mandalay, Omet's Gold, Kangaroo Country, and most recently Dragon's Law, as well as Mermaid Charm. So aren't as many bad casino games here as I thought there would be. Not quite as many good ones, but I think for the experiment as a whole, we're still up some money. Like, the big ones have been really big, and the small ones have been just fine too. But that's all the time we have for today. Join us next time, and we'll go ahead and take down another game. Until then, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning, you guys.